Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am outside, as you guys can tell. Bartolo wants to say hi. Hi guys. Qué chulo, papas. Anyways, I am filming outside because I didn't want to set up the lights in the room because this is going to be the second time I filmed this unboxing. If you guys can't tell from the title, this is going to be an unboxing for a giveaway that I won from Queenof _LA. If you guys haven't checked her out, make sure you go check her out. She's close to 2,000 subscribers, so go help her out. If the angle is different, it's because my memory got full, so I had to go free some space. But anyways, this is going to be the second time I filmed this video because yesterday I filmed it, and when I was going to go edit the video, for some reason the video was corrupted. Can you guys believe that? Jesus Christ. So here I am recording again. But anyways, like I said, I won this giveaway from Queenof _LA, and hopefully you guys could hear me because I'm trying to talk not so loud because I don't want the neighbors to hear me. Anyways, so here is everything that I won. It came in this box, and obviously it's already open because I already unboxed it yesterday. So the first thing that I got is this mug right here, and it has cute little snowmans, and I actually already used it this morning, so super cute and I love it. The second thing that I won is this pink fresh and clear tiare flower and sea spray. This one right here, it's a shimmer mist. It's super cute and it smells so good, you guys. You guys have no idea. I already sprayed some on yesterday and I love it. It smells really good and I love that it has shimmers. Okay, the next thing that I want is this Nivea cream, and it's this big tub right here, and yeah, it's not open. It still has a little foil thing. But anyways, I'm really happy that I got this because during winter my skin gets really dry, so this is going to help a lot. The next thing that I got is this makeup brush, and it is a contour brush, but I don't contour, so I'm definitely going to be using this as a highlighter brush or something. I don't know. We'll see, but I'll figure it out. But it's super cute and I like that it looks like a toothbrush. It's kind of funny. See? And it's super soft. So the next thing that I got is this Batiste dry shampoo in the scent Coconut and Exotic Tropical. This one right here. I barely started using dry shampoo, so I'm excited to use this because I've heard so many good things. So the next two things that I got is these two lip balms by Nivea, Care and Color, one in sheer berry and the other one in sheer coral. This one's sheer coral and this one is sheer berry, and they smell so good. And this is what they look like, and it's super cool that they're like tinted. So I'm super excited to try these out. And this one is the coral one. It's like brighter red or pink, but super pretty. She also sent me this little pin that says "Be Amazing." It's super cute. I'm going to be putting this in my backpack. The next thing she sent me is this eyeshadow palette by Butter London, and I actually already have one of these. This is what it looks like if you guys haven't seen the color story. It's super pretty. So since I already have one, I might put this in a future giveaway or give it to my mom for her birthday. Hopefully you don't mind that I'm doing this list. But thank you so much. I'm really happy that I got this, and I'm sure my mom's going to want it, so that might be part of her birthday present. And the next thing that I got is this Curls Unleashed Curl Defining Cream. This one right here. I don't have curly hair, so I'm definitely going to pass this down to someone that has curly hair. The next thing that I got is this CBD sample, and it is a CBD Deep Relief Cream. This one right here. I've never tried anything from this brand, Seventh Sense, so I'm super excited to try it out. The next thing that I got is this super cute beanie by the brand Neff. This one right here. And it's super cute and adorable, and it's pink or like mauve pink, I don't know, but it's really adorable and I love it. So this is what the beanie looks like. It's super cute and adorable. I love it. But I'm going to take it off right now because it's actually pretty warm right now. It's like 75 degrees. And she also sent me one more thing, but I forgot it inside. I'll go get it right now. Okay, so she also sent me the Nubian by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This one right here, and I'm super excited about it because I've never had a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, so I'm super happy that I got this. And this is what the little palette looks like. It's so cute and adorable. And this is what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty, and I love the color story. It gives me like fall vibes. I'm super happy and I can't wait to play with this. I already swatched a couple of the shades and they're super pigmented, so I'm super excited for this. So thank you so much, Liz, for all of this, and yeah, I'm super happy with everything. So if you guys haven't checked her out, make sure you go subscribe and tell her I sent you. I mean, you don't have to tell her I sent you, but if you want to, go ahead. But yeah, that is everything that I won. Hopefully I didn't miss anything because like I said, I already filmed this yesterday and I had already put stuff away into the places that I usually have my stuff in. But anyways, that is everything that I got in my giveaway, and I'm super happy and grateful. So thank you so much, Liz. You're awesome. Hopefully you guys didn't mind me filming outside. Hopefully you guys couldn't hear the traffic or the birds weren't too loud. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. And hopefully I didn't look like crap. I just got out of school and my face is getting oily and I'm tired.